Dump is one of the 106 Superfund cleanup sites. And if it wasn't one of the top priority, we wouldn't be under a consent decree at this point. What are you guys doing about putting in Superfund money to clean up the dump? You say that's the most. You say that's the most. You go from the most egregious or most dangerous sites. If that wasn't the most dangerous site, then we wouldn't be under consent decree. So why haven't you guys addressed that first before you addressed any other site? Not that the other sites aren't important, but I'm just saying we managed to dance around this issue of the dump, and I haven't heard anybody say that Superfund money is being used to clean up that dump, which, as the mayor from Petey said earlier, the military opened up after the war. My second issue, again, Mr. Jackson, is that last night I was very dismayed with your response to Senator Casper Bauer's question about rebuilding Route 3, about the fact that, well, you have $120 million in highway funds, use that, and it didn't sound like there was going to be anything, any assistance that was going to be provided. Use the 120 the 2030 plan has it. Those of you that have read the 2030 plan knows that the 2030 plan needs $3.2 billion to underwrite the cost of highways that are planning on being built. And the main part that the Department of Public Works has been doing is prioritizing all the access roads, 3, 1, 2, going all the way up to take care in 15. And the thing is that I don't see that there is any effort to try to assist the Department of Public Works by giving the $1 billion that you guys had set aside initially in the $10.4 billion for the Central Highway. I'm glad it's not going to happen because you haven't been mentioning it, thankfully. But if you're not going to use that $1 billion for the Central Highway, then provide it to DPW to do the roads that you guys need for the access highways. Because I didn't like the idea, the response to Senator Casper Bauer last night was, you guys got $120 million in federal highway fund, fix Route 3, expand it, whatever you're going to do, but that's not our responsibility.
Comments first on